Jacqueline here again to show you how to pay a team with Gusto's full service payroll. To get started, click on the Run Payroll tab. You can run regular payroll or process a bonus or off-cycle payrolls or termination. There's no extra fee for off-cycle payrolls, and you can run unlimited payrolls every month. First, confirm hours worked. For hourly employees, approved hours sync from our time tracking software, or you can enter hours manually or through an import. If importing hours, check out the Upload CSV feature. The downloadable template updates based on the active employees in that pay period to save you time on data entry. For both salaried and hourly employees, enter any additional earnings like a bonus, commission, or reimbursement. In other earnings, you can add paycheck or cash tips and correction payments. You can also add a personal note to include details or a custom thank you. Next, confirm which employees are getting paid through direct deposit, check, or skipping this payroll. Enter any vacation and sick pay days used during the pay period. If you're using Gusto's time off feature available on our Complete and Concierge plans, PTO will sync with payroll automatically. Review payroll to make sure your team is squared away. You can drill into taxes, hours worked, and what the company will pay. Now it's time to print checks for employees who aren't set up for direct deposit, which you can do on Gusto Checkstock. Gusto can also integrate with check payment apps to further streamline the process. Rest assured that Gusto will only debit the company's account for taxes due. And you did it! The team's been paid, and Gusto will automatically file and pay all of your payroll taxes. Click Full Summary to review the payroll summary. You can download all employee pay stubs and export payroll details. Running payroll with Gusto takes only a matter of minutes with everything you need all in one place.